Dear students, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss grade 8 English and our unit is second. The name of the unit is An Expedition and we are going to deal about reading skill. Are you ready for this? Oh yes, nice. Thank you. Please check out the slide here. So this is map of Nepal and this part had been newly incorporated in Nepal, as you know. So we are going to discuss some of the places of Nepal which are to be located in district. Are you ready for that? Oh yes, thank you. So can you locate these places in district? So places are here: Hile, Jiri, Namche, Pasupatinagar, Fidim, Gorakhali temple, Chandani and Dodara, Swargadhari. Can you locate those places into the different districts of Nepal? Yes. Let's try. Hile, where is Hile? Where does it lie? In which district? Oh, you are right. It lies in Dhankuta district. Nice. And Jiri? Oh yes, you are right. It lies in Dolakha district. Yes. Namche? Yes, Namche Bazar is there in Solukhumbu district. You are right. Pasupati Nagar? Oh yes, it is there in Ilam. Nice. And Fidim? Oh yes, it is there in Pasthar. Gorakhali temple? Oh yes, you are right. It is there in Gorkha district. And similarly, Chandani and Dodhara, they are away from, they are just out of the Mahakali river, just they are crossing. We have to go through the Mahakali river to find out these two villages. Yes, Chandani and Dodhara, they lie in Kanchanpur district. Yes, you are right. And Swargadhari, oh yes, it is there in Bhutan. Now, dear student, let's see the district of those places here. Are you ready for that? Okay. Please check out the slide. Map of Dolakha. So this is the map of Dolakha. Okay. Similarly, Dhankuta. This is the map of Dhankuta. Dhankuta lies here. And Solukhumbu. Yes, you see, Solukhumbu is here in the map, in the slide. And Ilam, yes, Ilam is here. Here is Jhapa, Ilam, Pasthar, and Taplejong. And similarly, map of Pasthar. You had already seen Pasthar in the previous slide as well, here. And Gorkha, this is the Gorkha district. Yes, very interesting. We do have different kinds of districts. They are getting different kinds of famous places also. And Kanchanpur. Kanchanpur is here, Dareldura, Baitari, and Darchula. Bhutan, where Swargadhari is there. Bhutan, here you can check the Bhutan. Bhutan is here. So these are different districts of Nepal where we can easily locate those places: Hile, Jiri, Namche Bazar, Pasupati Nagar, Fidim, and Gorakhali temple, Chandani and Dodhara, and Swargadhari. We had just acknowledged about that. Shall we go further? Oh yes, you are right. Thank you. So today we start the reading text. The topic of reading text is a visit to Godavari. Do you know something about Godavari? Oh yes, it lies in Lalitpur district. Any more? Oh, it is a very famous place for picnic. You are right. And oh yes, there is botanical garden also. Thank you. Let's learn more in detail. A visit to Godavari. You see. And grade 8 student of Khargalakshmi school went for a visit to Godavari in Lalitpur. It lies in Lalitpur district. You already spoke about that. They studied about many plants there and enjoyed its scenic beauty. Scenic, it is charming, very interesting word, lovely or attractive. Godavari is very lovely place. It has got the charming beauty, and we can say the scenic beauty also. Yes, dear student. And when they returned to school, after they visited Godavari, they returned back to the school. Srijana, the leader of visiting team, answered the questions asked by students who were unable to attend the trip. Some of the students, they did not join the trip, and they were interested to ask something about, they wanted to know something about Godavari. So Srijana has been asked here by all the students. Let's go in detail what they asked and what would be the answer from Srijana. Are you ready? Yes, nice. So you can see, before that you can see some of the scenic beauty of Godavari here in the picture in the slide. See here, really beautiful, yes? So we love nature, really? Do you love nature? Yes, you are right. See the scenic beauty of Godavari here. Yes, and these are the scenic beauty of Godavari place. And now let's go further. This lush region, that means full of grass and full of a kind of plant. That region is completely covered with the varieties of plants and grass. So this lush region is the home of many plants. There are several plants found. Yes, there are 4 types of oak trees. Let's see the oak tree here. This is the oak tree, and there are almost all 4 types of oak trees are found with their leaves remaining green all the year round. That means they don't cast the leaves within the year. Almost all they seem to be green. Yes. So in addition, rhododendrons, this is the rhododendron flower, and walnut. You see, here is the picture of walnut, and dark chestnut and Himalayan maple. Let's see the picture of dark chestnut. Yes, this is the picture of dark chestnut. And Himalayan maple are other species found in this garden. You see, this is the picture of Himalayan maple. Yes, we can find out those varieties of plants. And as its climate is subtropical. Subtropical means, do you know? Oh yes, it is warm climate. And more than 529 species of butterflies and plants are found in Godavari. Yes, there are many species of butterflies, almost 529 it is given in your textbooks. Yes, apart from that, you can get many other plants as well as small animals too. Yes, that's why Godavari is very, very beautiful place. And many people are crazy to visit there. Are you crazy to visit there? Oh yes, you are right. Let's go further. So you see some pictures of butterflies. Yes, here too. Now, Binod, he asks, tell us interesting about Godavari. So Srijana again says, she answers, Godavari is a beautiful place situated at the base of hill of exotic and local plant varieties. Exotic, very interesting word, exotic. It is mysterious, strange, unusual. Yes, so because of this mysterious and local plant and their varieties, Godavari becomes a very beautiful place where many people they like to visit. And in the same way, the fawn and the orchid, let's see the picture of fawn. Yes, this is the picture of fawn. The fawn and orchid houses are very popular there. The Japanese garden, which is in the west, which is in the northwestern part of the area, is also sight to see. The Japanese garden, which is in the northwestern part of the area, is also a sight to see. Do you like to see the map? Yes, this is still the picture of fern, and this is the picture of orchid. Yes, it is still the picture of orchid, and this is the picture of a scene of Japanese garden too. So, because of all those things, Godavari becomes a very beautiful place where people they like to visit and have a kind of very good entertainment too. Let's go further. So, Mamata, another student, she asked, did you have to write about what you observed in Godavari? Yes, Rejana said, yes, of course, because you also understand that when you are taken into some place for educational tour or excursion, you might be learning several things there, and it is also other important point that we have to target, we have to develop a kind of skill to the students such that they can have to prepare a kind of report. So, Srijana says, she told to other friends also, yes, of course, we were asked to write a short report on Godavari's butterflies. How many species of butterflies were there? Yes, 529, we already studied. And not only about butterflies, but also about animals. The students who visited there, they must have to prepare a report mentioning about the species of butterflies and some other animals also, or they can also incorporate, they can also write something about the scenic beauty of Godavari as well. So, in April and May, butterflies, many of them with gleaming shallow tails, flock around beautiful flowers. Gleaming, especially this is very crazy word, it means that faint in light. That means sometimes we can also say that gleaming means glowing also, or shining too, because when butterfly they fly here to there, they give a kind of shining light also. That is a kind of faint in light, yes, we can say. So, Godavari is a shelter for over 100 species of butterfly. We had already discussed. There are more than 529 species, right? So, 100 species of butterflies are there, ranging from drab beaks to blue beaks. Let's see some butterflies. This is the butterfly having drab beaks. Drab means here a kind of dull or boring also we can say. And on the butterfly having, this is the butterfly with the blue peacocks, it is said in that way. So, are you clear, student? Oh, nice, thank you. Let's go further. Arjun, another student, he asked questions to Srijana. So, I have heard Godavari is a famous picnic spot as well. Is it true? He questioned in that way, because he wanted to know whether Godavari is famous picnic spot or not. That means many people they like to visit to entertain in as a taking part in a picnic. So, Srijana, she answered, the leading member of the team who visited there, that's right. That means it is very fine, because Godavari is very important place for picnic spot as well. Godavari's beauty and plants attract many people who go there to enjoy picnic. They like to go. Can you see? Are you interested to look at some of the picture here in the slide? Yes. So, you can see the plates where these plates are used in picnics to have some food, yes. So, especially on Saturdays, people like to visit there on Saturdays. Large group of people gather, they go there and they are collected there for cookouts. They like to cook various kinds of delicious food, and they like to have themselves with the friends. Varieties of food items are prepared and served in paper or leaf plates, paper plates. These are the paper plates, you see, and because they are biodegradable. Biodegradable, very interesting terminology. Biodegradable means they are eco-friendly, right, ecological, or they are decomposable also, easily decomposable. Yes, because they don't harm the environment. So these are the plates made by paper and made by leaves. So you can see again these two are the plates made by leaves. So again continuously we can discuss about picnics are often associated with the festival. People, they like to associate, they like to have a link with the picnics to their festival. They like to enjoy picnic as a feast and festival. Yes, it is very interesting associations among the friends or among the group of the people who like to visit there, and are a long standing tradition in Nepal, because from a long past people, they like to go for picnics. It is a kind of tradition. It is as if our culture, we like to collect our all kind of the sentiment, and we like to exchange with the friends in the picnic spot, right? So picnics have been part of social harmony, coordinations among the peoples of the society or the friends. So it is another very interesting terminology for you, harmony. This means coordinations. For centuries, peoples, they have been extending their harmony and their support in association with other friends, being visited in picnic, yeah, in different spots. So they don't like to have a kind of unwanted activities, but they like to extend their harmony among them. That's why people enjoy eating and they participate in dancing, singing, and other fun events at picnic, right? So do you like to check out some pictures of picnic? You are right. See, people, they are preparing some food, they are cooking, they are busier, yes, and they like to have entertainment, also visiting different part of very natural places, and they like to observe the scenic beauty also, the charming of environment, because we are lover of nature. Oh, you are right. Thank you. Shall we go further? Yes, another student, Asha, she asked, how can we reach there from Kathmandu? Very interesting questions, right? And Srijana again answered, Godavari is within easy reach of Kathmandu's ring road. It lies apart from ring road. I think you have heard the place, that is Sadhabato. From Sadhabato, you can pick up several vehicles, yes. You have to go from Sadhabato towards the Godavari. You can take public vehicle. See the picture of public vehicle. In Sadhabato, those public vehicles are available, or you can take any vehicles as well from any part of Kathmandu Valley. Or if you are coming from away from Kathmandu Valley also, you can have some vehicle yourself, and some minibus are also available there. Microbus also, you can ride on microbus, or private car. You can also hire a private car, or yourself, if you have a car, you can ride on it and you can visit Godavari, or taxi to go there also. That's why it is very easy reach of Kathmandu's ring road. From the ring road of Kathmandu, we can easily reach there. So Srijana means that. So it is really accessible place where people like to visit mostly. So see, different vehicles are available around the cities where you can take anyone as per your wish and desire, as per your necessity. Yes, you can go there. Shall we move ahead, dear student? Oh yes, nice. So another student, Anil, he has the questions also and he can ask, how would you appeal people to visit Godavari? How you can request or inform to people? What is your appealing? What are the most important point in Godavari people like to get and how can you impress them? He means that. Srijana answered, well, visiting places like Godavari provides us with recreation and inspirations to study nature. I already hinted something about Godavari, that why they go there, because Godavari provides us with recreation. Recreation, it is a kind of refreshment, yes, and inspiration. These two are very important words. Inspiration means motivation. You can motivate yourself also or by your peers who are with you while you will be visiting into the place Godavari, or you can get recreations also to study nature. Let's see some picture. You see, wow, what a beautiful picture. When we go there and we stay some moment, we really enjoy. We get a kind of recreation, our boredom will go out. We get the refreshment, yes. So, inspirations also will be gained from such places when we visit there, because we are nature lover and it is a part of our lives also, because we like to visit such type of places occasionally or sometimes frequently also if we are free. It depends on us, but this is the part of our lives. People like to visit different beautiful places such as Godavari. In this sense, Godavari is worth visiting. It is very important to visit Godavari because of those kinds of worth visiting situations are available in the same place, Godavari. Shall we go ahead? Oh yes, you are right. So, before that you please check some scene which are about Godavari. Now, ways with words. Let's get started. Are you ready, students? Because we discuss about reading text and expedition, and that is especially a visit to Godavari. So, because of acknowledgement, because of understanding of the reading text, so we can answer, we can do some of the activities, we can answer the questions after the reading text which are available in your textbook. So, match the word with their meaning. Are you ready? Oh yes, because we explain much more words as well, which could be the difficult word for the students during the time of delivery of reading text, right? So, let us get started to do the exercise. See, you see in column 1 and column 2, column A and column B, there are words in column A and their meanings are given in the column B. Can you find out the meaning of these words from the column B? Yes, please try for some minute. The word exotic, try to remember, exotic is related to unusual, strange, mysterious. That means strange or unusual and exciting. Yes, you are right. Orchid. What could be the meaning of orchid? Oh, you are right. This is a kind of flower that is also called sungaba. Similarly, lush. That means, oh, Yes, you are right. That means covered in healthy grass and plants. Similarly, subtropical. Yes, subtropical. The meaning of subtropical is, yes, you are right, warm temperature. Not exactly moderate, it is warmer, warm temperature. And gleaming. What could be the meaning of the word gleaming? You try to find out, because we have already discussed this word in the reading text. Oh yes, you are right, faint in light. Similar, drab, drab butterfly. Yes, the meaning of drab, the single word, is dull and boring. Okay, dear students, in the examination you have to write in that way. First you have to write the word, and you can give the arrow, write its real meaning, just like exotic, strange or unusual and exciting. And it is mysterious also. Yes, orchid, a kind of flower, sungaba. Yes, you have been getting the pictures during the time of delivery of reading text also. Lush, covered in healthy grass and plants. Yes, subtropical, warm temperature. Gleaming, faint light. Drab, dull and boring. It is not necessary for you to prepare the table. You can just to give the symbol number or the alphabet as if they are given in the text, and write the word and give the arrow, write the real meaning of the word. In that way you can solve in the examination or while you are doing the assignment or the homework, right? Thank you. Shall we move ahead? So, next activity is there in your textbook. It is in the page number 13. So, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the text. Can you try once, please? Please try yourself. Remember these sentences in the textbook that we discussed. Srijana is the leader of the blank space team. Remember what is the appropriate word you have to fill here. Godavari is situated at the blank space of the forested hills. What could be the right word here? Try to remember. Number C, the leaves of oak trees. Remember, blank space, you have to find out the word for that. Blank space is here. All the clue is here, green all the year round. Number D, butterflies, blank space, around beautiful flowers. Butterflies, blank space, around beautiful flowers. What do they do around the beautiful flowers? And picnics, the last one, E1, is that picnics are often blank space with the festival. Oh, I think you have already found the answer. Please try to match with your friends. Please look at the answer of your friends and you also pass your answer. Please try to see and match it, whether your answer is right or wrong. And you also can say whether your friends' answer are right or wrong. Have you done? Oh yes, let's check. Thank you. Now let's see. These are the answers. So, number 1, Srijana is the leader of the visiting team, right? Yes. And Godavari is situated at the base of the forested hill. Yes, you are also right for that. The leaves of oak trees remain green all the year around. You may not be getting direct sentence as it is given here, but in the text you have to find out the meaning there and then you can insert here, because in the textbook the next form of the word remain is given. There is given remaining, but here the leaves of oak tree. You have to insert here verb 1, right? Remain green all the year around. So, butterflies flock around beautiful flower, and picnics are often associated with the festival. You are right. So, in the examination, dear students, some of the students, they might be writing just like the number, questions number A, B, C, D, and they will be just writing the word where they have to insert, but you should not do that. You have to copy down the given sentence and you have to insert the word in the gap and complete the sentence and hit your questions by such type of activities by the real answer. Yes? Okay. So, shall we go ahead? Still we have to do one activity more. Are you ready? Yes. Answer the following questions. So, in your textbook, in the same page number 13 and the 14, there are some questions. You have to answer these questions. Are you ready? Let's discuss. Oh yes, thank you. What makes Godavari beautiful? Can you answer it? Please try, discuss with your friends. Get the idea from your friends. Oh yes, you are right. And have you done? Yes. Okay. So, please pass your answer to the next friend and you have to get his or her answer and match it first. Oh yes, you are right. Thank you. You are probably right. Let me give you the answer of this question. What makes Godavari beautiful? The full of exotic and local plant varieties make Godavari beautiful, because Godavari is full of different types of plants. They are exotic, not only normal, they are mysterious, yes, unusual strains as well. And what is Godavari famous for? Please again write the answer and match with your friends. Oh yes, you had done. Nice. Let's check out the answer that I brought here with. Godavari is famous picnic. Godavari is famous for picnic spot. It is really famous picnic spot. And number C, how many species of butterflies are found there? You remember? Try to remember. Can I give you the clue? More than 500 and less than 600. Next clue, 550. Oh, yes, you remember. Yes, there are 529 species of butterflies are found in Godavari. 529 species of butterflies are found in Godavari. Dear students, we discussed much of the thing today, and you have to also do some of the activities from the page number 14, and you have to choose the best answer, and their options are given. It is very simple for you. Options are given. You can easily tick out any options. There is no doubt for you, but we do hope that you will be doing this activity and discussing with your friends, matching the answer with your friends, and at last you can display to your teacher too. And I think we have covered almost all things of today's topic. So, I think you have acknowledged lot of things about Godavari. We discussed many things which are available there. Are you also interested to visit there? Oh yes, please visit, make a plan, as Srijana made the plan and led to the place, and I think your school also will be taking to you. And till that time, you have to exercise some more things also, and do yourself, sometimes do with your friends, and then show to your teacher. And till that time, you will be enjoying the reading text, and we shall be meeting further. So, bye-bye, see you again, bye-bye.